How to future-proof your gaming PC on a budget. Want to keep your gaming PC fast and ready for future games without breaking the bank? Welcome back to Garcar AI Tech. In this episode, we'll show you how to future-proof your budget gaming PC with smart upgrades and tweaks. First, we'll talk about choosing upgradable components, like a motherboard with extra RAM slots and PCI support for future GPUs. Then, we'll cover why a good power supply matters and how it can save you money when upgrading. Next, we'll discuss software optimizations, keeping your system updated, using cloud gaming options, and making your PC last longer with proper maintenance. We'll also touch on which parts to upgrade first when new games demand more power. By the end of this video, you'll know how to make your budget gaming PC last for years without constantly spending on new hardware. Let's future-proof your setup.